If you're trying to understand how probate works in New York, the first thing to know is that probate is a court process used to settle a person's affairs after death. It generally applies when someone passes away owning assets in their individual name that do not automatically transfer by beneficiary designation, joint ownership, or trust. In New York, probate and estate administration are handled through the surrogate's court in the county where the person lived. If there is a will, the court process typically focuses on validating that will and appointing the executor named in it. If there is no will, the court may appoint an administrator, and New York law determines who inherits. Once the executor or administrator is appointed, that person has responsibility for moving the process forward. This usually includes identifying and gathering estate assets, notifying interested parties, addressing debts and expenses, and eventually distributing what remains to the appropriate beneficiaries. Not every asset goes through probate. Assets that have a designated beneficiary, such as certain retirement accounts or life insurance, or assets held in certain types of joint ownership, may pass outside of probate. Assets that are properly titled in a living trust also generally avoid probate. But assets owned individually without these features are often part of the probate process. One of the most common questions is how long probate takes. The answer depends on the size and complexity of the estate, whether there are disputes, and how organized things are. Some estates move relatively smoothly, while others take longer due to required filings, notices, or complications. It's also important to understand that probate is not necessarily something to fear. It is a structured legal process. However, it can involve time, paperwork, and court involvement, which is why many people take steps during life to simplify things for their family. The key takeaway is that probate in New York is a process that can often be made more efficient with good planning. Understanding how it works is an important first step in making informed decisions about your own estate plan.